Today in geometry, we are talking about 7.2, which is the definitions of trigonometric ratios. So if you see here, I have a right triangle. It is labeled A, B, and C with a mark on angle A. A is the given focus of this next explanation. We are focusing on angle A here. So if we look at angle A, we can see that the opposite side of A, if I go over here, it is side BC, otherwise known as lowercase a. I am going to use BC for the predominant, mostly I will go to the entire name of the side. Now, if I look here, I can see that AC, this side right here, is actually helping to form angle A, which makes it the adjacent or adjoining side. Okay, so we talked about opposite. Opposite is a straight line with an arrow. Okay, so it's going to start at the angle that I'm focused on and I'm going straight across. That's what makes it opposite, because it is completely opposite. It's on the opposite side of the triangle. Adjacent helps to form the angle, but it is not the hypotenuse, because the hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. So again, I'm going to draw my little line and I'm going to go across from the right angle, which is AB. So the side that does not help, or that helps to form the angle but is not the hypotenuse, is going to be the adjacent side. So according to this, we can tell you sine, cosine, and tangent. Now I have my little SOHCAHTOA right here. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and then I wrote it in terms of our triangle above. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, again written in terms of the triangle above. Tangent is our opposite over our adjacent, again in terms of the triangle above. I also have down here at the bottom that you have a table on page 322 that is going to help you out in 7.3 and 7.4, and continuing on with any type of trigonometry we will cover. So a simple way of remembering this is simply SOHCAHTOA. If you can remember this, you can remember the ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent. To remember which side is opposite and which side is adjacent, though, you need to pay attention to the definitions of opposite and adjacent up here. Okay, your classwork is loaded, so go at it, have fun, and I will see you tomorrow when we cover finding the angles to the nearest degree based off of that chart on page 322.